Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. I'm just gonna make a short video about what I see happening right now on Bitcoin. We are inside a range market, so even if we had some huge movements today on both Ethereum and on Bitcoin, we are still inside the range. So we have to break the support and see a clear breakout retest to see the market continue back down, or we just might have this 4-hour candle closing on Ethereum and then the next candle is closing inside the support again. So even if we see some volatility, we are still inside the range. We can see a lot of fake outs from these levels. Remember, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please guys, continue looking at this video. I'm gonna show you exactly what I see on Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Okay, so we're starting off with the weekly chart. So we did see the market last week came up and retested this previous low that we're having on Bitcoin at 43,120. We saw the break, we saw the retest, now market continues back down. On the lower time frames, we have been consolidating in between 40,900 and 43,100 or around 200. We saw the fake out to the upside, we saw the retest, market came back down. And today we saw the push to the upside, and if you were on my live stream, you saw that I did expect the market breaking for the 2K and come up to the resistance again. We saw around the resistance that the market never had the power to break it. You saw a doji, the next hourly candlestick did close below. You saw the market coming back down and you saw the retest of the level. As you can also see, I actually took 4 positions on Bitcoin. So I sold the market from 43,080. As you guys can see, we did have a small uptrend right here where the market came to. We did break the trend line, and then I took my Fibonacci from the highest point to the lowest point to where the market broke the level. Market came up, retested, and then market went straight down. I had my take profit around 42,197, and that was just it. Where potentially I can see, or what market can do right now, we came back down precisely to 40,936, and that is the previous low that we're having. We just might break 40,900 and come back down to 39,500 or 600 also. If we see the market have volatility to the downside, definitely market coming back down to this level. From 39,500, I definitely want to see how market's going to behave. I do not know if we will continue to the upside or if we will break, continue back down. But we are still inside this range that we're having. So usually what happens is that the market, comes to the support, back up to the resistance, from the resistance back down to the support. And during the day, that's what we have been doing. So, I mean, we can just come back down and consolidate in between 39,500 and to the resistance at 43,100, 200. So, I mean, market is just going sideways, to be honest. Even if we did have huge volatility to the upside and huge volatility to the downside, we are still inside this range. So we are definitely have to break one of the directions. Don't forget, guys, that you can receive up to $4,100 right now on BYBIT through Bitcoinsensus. BYBIT is a super good platform if you are a swing trader and if you want to hold your positions for a longer time and have very low fees. And you're also helping Bitcoinsensus by doing that. So we are able to do these live streams and have these daily updates to you guys. So you're having the link in the description down below this video. So claim it. And if you're having any problems, just contact me and I'll try to help you as much as I can. Looking at Ethereum, we're still above the trend line, the weekly trend line. If we're going to the daily chart, we can also see the same thing that we did have on Bitcoin, that we have been consolidating in between 3,372 and to the support that we are at right now at 3,076. We just might see the market push back down to this trend line. As you can see, the weekly trend line from that level, we just might see either we're breaking it and we're coming back down to the 2,700, because that is the previous higher low that we're having on the weekly on Ethereum. So we just might see retest of the trend line, market comes to the support, and then you see the market breaking to the upside again, come inside the trend line. We just might see a retest, continuation to the upside. Obviously, the market goes upside down all the time, but we definitely need to see how the candlestick is behaving around these levels to take a decision from that. Going to the lower time frames, as you can see, we did have a downtrend, market broke to the upside. just dragging a Fibonacci from 3,000, from the highest point to the lowest point. We came directly up to the Fibonacci to create a lower high, then market went straight down. This was the last lower high that we did have, a lower low, even if we saw a lot of things, small things happening right here. So on the lower time frames, you had more clear high highs and high lows, but on the 4 hour, we just had a knife falling. The market pushed to the upside. It came to the Fibonacci levels right here, and then market slammed to the downside. Right now, I could potentially see Ethereum coming back down to 2,900 and around 2,900, and after that, I definitely want to see how market's gonna behave. We're still inside this consolidation, so we just might see a fake out from the support. Market comes inside and then continues back to this resistance again. So even if we see some huge movement, we are still doing the movements inside the range market. If we are seeing the market breaking the support, we definitely want to see a clear breakout retest, not a breakout and then market comes inside, because that will be a fake out. I would just say, I'm not gonna do anything right now on Bitcoin or Ethereum. I've already done my trades today, but tomorrow we'll see how market has been behaving during the night. It's night here in Sweden, so tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and see how market is moving. So thank you so much, guys, for looking at this short video together with me on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Please subscribe to the channel because I'm having multiple live streams every single week, and I'm having daily updates about cryptocurrency. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification, and we see each other in tomorrow's live stream. Have a good day from Sweden.